The CDC reports that 13% of all U.S. adults are diabetic, and the number continues to grow. That means more and more people are coming into your stores seeking relief from their symptoms, like dry, cracked, inflamed skin. Introducing EZ, a revolutionary dry skin therapy from Biotone, formulated specifically for diabetics. EZ is the only lotion and foot cream formulated with the skin-repairing power of zinc. Zinc provides a strong protective barrier, and it helps to speed healing of minor skin wounds. EZ also contains essential ingredients like shea butter and lecithin to deliver moisture deep into the skin. This is the relief diabetics are looking for. Over the last 40 years, Biotone has developed a wide range of over-the-counter products, providing real benefits and creating lifelong customers. EZ Lotion and Foot Cream is the company's latest innovation. Call now for more information and to set up your account today.